Hi students, I hope all are fine. So, as we already had discussed in the last class, we are going to take a poem on India. Okay, the Song of India, written by V.K. Gokak. So, we have already discussed about the author, and also given I had given a kind of introduction to the poem. So now today what we are going to do is in this video is we are just going to see the first stanza of the poem, learn the first stanza of the poem. So as you know, this is a poem in which the poet is asking the mother India about what he should be singing. Okay, there are so many glorious things in India. So the poet is asking, okay, shall I sing about all those things, so that world will know the beauty, the things that are there in India, and also it will appreciate the things that are there in India. But our motherland gives a befitting reply to the poet to what he should be singing about. The motherland doesn't take pride in its beauty, but she wants the world to know that there are people suffering in India. So let us see the poem. So first I'll read the stanza, then we'll go into the explanation. Okay, after that there will be a worksheet. So by that we'll conclude the chapter, conclude this video class. Okay, so the poet is asking the motherland, what song shall I sing of you, my mother? I asked. Shall I sing of the Himalayas with their snow-bound peaks, or the three seas that wash your palm? Shall I sing of your clear dawn with its pure gold streaks? Said the mother, imperturbable calm. Sing of the beggar and the leper that swarm my streets. Sing of the filth and the dirt that foul my sylvan retreats. Okay, so this is the first stanza. I'll read it once again so that you can understand it better. So the poet is telling motherland, okay, about what he should be singing. So he is giving so many options, okay, so many things on which he would sing. Okay, so let us see it once again. What song shall I sing of you, my mother? I asked. Shall I sing of the Himalayas with their snow-bound peaks, or the three seas that wash your palm? Shall I sing of your clear dawn with its pure gold streaks? Said the mother, imperturbable calm. Sing of the beggar and the leper that swarm my streets. Sing of the filth and the dirt that foul my sylvan retreats. Okay, so let us see the explanation. So first, the poet is asking, okay, shall I sing of the Himalayas with their snow-bound peaks? Okay, I hope you have seen the pictures of Himalayas. The peak, okay, the peak touches the sky, and the peak is covered with snow. It is such a beautiful scene. Okay, so the poet wants the world to know the beauty of Himalaya. So the poet is asking motherland, okay, shall I sing of the Himalayas beauty? Because so that it's such a beautiful scene, so the world will know the beauty of the motherland, our motherland. Then the poet is asking, shall I sing of the three seas that wash your palm? Okay, so the three seas would be Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, and also Indian Ocean. Those are three seas mentioned by the poet, because the food part of India. Okay, the food part, that is a southern part, and also bit of a west and also the east is covered are covered by seas. Okay, so geographically speaking, India is well protected. Okay, geographically. So the poet wants to sing about those three seas which protect India geographically. Okay, so it is such a wonderful situation, or such a geographically India is situated like that. Okay, so the poet wants to write about that. Okay, then the poet is asking, okay, shall I sing of your clear dawn with its pure gold streaks? Okay, I hope you have seen in the morning as the sun comes up. Okay, in the morning it has a kind of golden color, isn't it? So as it comes up like that, it has the sky is lit up in golden color. So it's a wonderful scene, isn't it? It's a wonderful scene, marvelous scene. So the poet wants to sing about this beauty also, because it happens in India. Okay, since it happens in India, he wants to write about this. Of course, these things are happening all around the world, but the poet wants to mention about this particular phenomenon that happens in our motherland. So the poet has asked these three things, okay, in the first stanza. Now motherland is trying to give a reply to the poet. The motherland says, okay, said the mother, imperturbable calm, sing of the beggar and the leper that swarm my streets. Okay, the motherland is telling, I don't want you to sing about those wonderful things, those beautiful scenes, but what I want you to do is you have to sing about the lepers and also the beggars who are there in my streets. I want you to sing about them so that everyone will know the situation of these people who suffer. Then the motherland says, sing of the filth and the dirt that foul my sylvan retreats. See, in India, there are so many people. Okay, most of the people simply waste the things just like that. Okay, wherever they see, they just waste. So the motherland wants all its citizens to shy away from this particular doing. She doesn't want her streets to be dirty. She doesn't want to get any foul smells. But what she wants is a neat place. That's why the motherland is telling the poet to instruct all the citizens with regard to the need of keeping the streets clean. Okay, keeping the streets clean. So this is what the motherland says as a reply for the to the poet for the first stanza. That is what we see. Okay, so I hope this is clear. But there are three things about which the poet wants to sing, but the motherland is giving a kind of a reply saying, okay, we shall not sing about those things, but what you have to do is you need to sing about the people who suffer and also the dirt and the filth that are there in my streets. Okay, sylvan retreats means it's a secluded place where nobody wants to visit and so on. Okay, that is the meaning of sylvan retreats. So I hope that is clear. The first answer is clear to you. So now what we have is we have a worksheet. Okay, so we have understood that poet is asking Mother India and the Mother India is replying, isn't it? So what I want you to do is you need to write a conversation. Okay, write a conversation between our motherland India and the poet based on the first stanza. Okay, only basing on the first stanza you have to write the conversation. Okay, so I hope today's class is clear to you. Thank you and bye.